Carryback is the excess material that sticks to conveyor belts, causing downtime and maintenance issues. This buildup can lead to slips, falls and damage to conveyor components. It often requires manual labour for removal, increasing operational costs and risks. Introducing Kinder's Micro Eraser Primary Belt Cleaner. Micro in size, mighty in performance. This innovative tool reduces carryback with its low-maintenance, high-performance cleaning system. It easily retrofits existing conveyor layouts. The Micro Eraser features a compact design and a new and improved internal tensioning system for easy installation and tensioning. The universal mounting plates has now been designed to retrofit existing layouts. It enhances efficiency, reduces carryback, and offers long-term reliability, making it a smart investment for any operation. From mess to success, a clean belt equals a clean site, with material moving smoothly and not getting lost along the way. Get in touch with Kinder to explore our comprehensive range of primary and secondary conveyor belt cleaners to suit your unique operating environment.